where we visited. What's that? It looked like somebody beat you to come to my class. Who, oh, you're totally new to the school and everything? Okay. Here, have a seat right there. Where'd you come from? Where? New York. Oh, wow. Okay, so you wanted some warmth. You're tired of the snow. This is Coach Wynn. He's in this class. So, okay, you came from New York, and I'm videotaping right here. We started doing, I'll give you this is what we're doing right here, okay? It's linear combination. We're solving systems of equations. I have a YouTube account that, and up there on there, it says Crawl Mama and the number 1. And I put videos on there that go over the lessons, like everything that you just, because you came in at the end of class today. Did you go to lunch first, or did you just get here? You just got here? Okay. And so today's lesson, actually right now, like I'm videotaping on PowerPoint, but there's the lesson's already on there to where I can write it down what I put it under, and you can watch that, and then that'll be able to let you see how to do that, and it'll catch you up with what we've done today. Okay? And we do something totally different. It's on grading. It's called standards-based grading. And a lot of your classes are going to be like this. It's where you have to go through and you have to show that you're able to do it. It's not like, you know, up in New York you would like, hey! How like in New York you take a test and if you miss 10 out of 100 you get a 90, right? 90, 80, 70. They don't do that here, okay? We're going to take a quiz next week and say you don't do well, right? You fail it, you don't really understand it. But then later on when we take the test, you pass like with a B, okay? Normally your two grades would average together, right? It's not going to be like that. Your grade replaces to the B. And you have to pass every standard in order to pass the class, okay? Do me a favor, on the back of that right there, write down all these answer choices right here that are up there. Corey, I need y'all working, okay? Yeah, that's one of them football coaches up there. You were quick, coach. You were like, wait a minute, I got an eye for that. That's coach was like, that boy's not in football. We need to put him in some football. That's because she.
Y'all are so corny.
Oh. Corey. Yes. Oh, actually, hold on to that till tomorrow. Yes. The reason why you have time here in class is so that if you have questions, you can ask myself, Mr. Gober, or Coach Wynn. Now, do you have another sheet of paper? Will you write up there where it says YouTube and Crawl Mama 1? So in the search bar, when you go into YouTube and you put in there Craw Mama 1, if you'll type in there solving systems by linear equations, or linear combination, solving systems by linear combination, it should pop up the 2 different videos that are in there, and then that way you can watch those to be able to see how to do that. Okay.
You know what I'm talking about. My type it in, there's some blind guy playing the piano.
Not on solving by linear they're a trip. Anyway, so that'll get you caught up kind of with what we're doing on there. If you actually subscribe to it, like if you have an email account and there's a subscribe thing on there, then every time I add a new video, it sends you an email, and then that way you know when I upload it, and it's kind of easier to see it. Okay. Let's see. What was I going to tell you? Oh, and then the guy up there in the green, that's Mr. Goldberg. He's going to be a student teacher. He graduated from A&M, and so you'll be the student teacher, which is kind of cool. You're in here because that means you have 3 of us. Okay, to make sure. There'll be things that are different. I'm from Kansas, and there's things that when you come down here, they teach things a little bit differently. So if you have questions on what we're doing, make sure to ask and not worry about it. Did y'all use any of the calculators at one, like the TI-83s? You did? Okay, good deal. That's helpful. I'm going to assign, once we get everybody in class, I'm going to assign back there the calculators right now. You just get one, but I'll assign you a specific one for when we get later on in the semester. That way we know whose is whose. Okay? When did y'all move here? Just 2 days ago? Oh, wow. Okay, so you're from Syracuse. How far is Syracuse away from Cooperstown? Long way? Yeah. I don't know New York well enough. My son plays baseball, and he's going to play in a baseball tournament over there in Cooperstown this summer.
I'm not getting there. I'm not getting the right answer.
Where?
Right there.
Which one? You did this one?
Yeah, well, yeah.
Oh, because of this. 4 minus 2 is 2.
4 minus.
Yeah, you just take this, and then it's negative, so it's minus. You just put 4 minus 2. So what you're doing, you're adding them together, so technically it's 4 plus negative 2.
Oh, so I'm just doing 4 minus.
Yeah, just put 4 minus 2.
Okay,
That's what it
totally
is.
wrong thing.
Yeah, I know. That's why if Corey would stop talking, she would be able to get the right answers. Anthony, you ain't sitting there tomorrow. Madison, you done any of it yet?
No. So you got it anyway.
Well, how about next time we raise our hand and ask questions so I can help you when you're here, so we can pass second semester. I do.